Today, we're making delicious guacamole, a classic Mexican dip that's perfect for any occasion. Here are the ingredients you'll need to create this flavorful dip. 1 medium onion, finely chopped, which adds a nice crunch and a bit of sweetness, and 1 clove of garlic, crushed. Grated zest and juice of half a lime, 1 tablespoon of taco sauce, and 3 large avocados, ripe and creamy. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh coriander, salt and black pepper to taste. Coriander leaves to garnish. First, mix the onion, garlic, zest and juice of the lime, and the taco sauce together in a large bowl. Scoop out the avocado flesh with a spoon. Make sure to get as close to the skin as possible. Then place the chopped avocado into a bowl that already contains a mixture of finely chopped onions and freshly squeezed lime juice. Now, gently mash the avocado in the bowl. Be careful not to overmash. New recipes.